Do you know nowadays English has been the most crucial language to be spoken not merely on the national level but also on the international level to be spoken. Either that is business and trade or education and research. Either that is technology and innovation or media and entertainment. In all these you need to be SELS, spoken English language specifically, because it's the powerful tool for nurturing and growing of yourself in the communication, education and advanced career advancement according to the globalized and revolutionized world. And it is also the significant and imperative, it plays also significant and imperative role in the access to the information that comprises of the scientific research and digital content. So for better speaking, you must be adopting these three main points in the bottom line that are going to change your life thoroughly and with 100% surety. Number first, that is, you must have effective immersion. It means to say, surround yourself by English media. English media, it means to say, surround yourself by English environment. Number second, that is consistent practice. Consistent practicing would rectify all the flaws that you are making during your speaking. So number third, that is focused learning. Tell me in the comment box how this video was helpful for you. Share with your friends and the subscribe button. Meet you in the next video. Okay.